I will be among the first to admit that I don't really know how YouTube's suggested viewing thing works. When you finish watching a video and it brings up all these other videos that it seems to think that you will be interested in. Some of them are quite cool. Some of them, I just got finished watching the video for X-Men Days of Future Past. The trailer for it, I mean. And at the end of it, of course, it pops up all these different videos. Now, 4 of them, the top 4 of the 6, are the same video. I'll show you in a minute. The one at the bottom right, bottom right, is obviously Peter Dinklage at a panel at a convention. It's the one at the bottom left that just confuses me to no end because here. I don't know if you heard that giggle, but that's kind of how I have not been watching videos of large cats screwing. I just no. I did see a small video that somebody posted of like household cats. Somebody posted it on Twitter. They're like, "Wow, this seems really mean." I'm like, that's what it's like when cats mate. They're just it's not a romantic thing. It's extremely loud and screechy and screamy and fighty and bitey and just nope. Anyway, yes, snow leopards are beautiful creatures. I don't really have a lot of interest in watching them screw. I don't know why YouTube thought that was suggested viewing material for me. Yes, I'm a furry. No, I don't want to watch that video. I don't. I don't know. Anyway, be careless.